வெல்கம் பேக் டு கேகே வாலி ஆஃபீஷியல். இன்னைக்கான மேட்ச் யாருன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா புதுக்கடை vs ஸ்டீவன் பிரான்ஸ். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் செட். Good block by Stephen Prince. Point goes to Stephen Prince. One love. Miss pass. Point goes to Stephen Prince. Two love. Ball away, point goes to Stephen Prince, 3 love. Ball away, point goes to Puthukadai, 1-3. Ball away, point goes to Stephen Prince, 4-1. Ball net, point goes to Puthukadai, 2-4. Ball net, point goes to Stephen Prince, 5-2. Good block, point goes to Stephen Prince, 6-2. Miss pass, point goes to Stephen Prince, 7-2. Ball net, point goes to Puthukadai, 3-7. Good smash, point goes to Stephen Prince, 8-3. Point goes to Puthukadai, 4-8. Good attack, point goes to Stephen Prince, 9-4. Ball touch out, point goes to Puthukadai, 5-9. Ball in, point goes to Stephen Prince, 10-5. Ball away, point goes to Puthukadai, 6-10. Good smash, point goes to Stephen Prince, 11-6. Point goes to Stephen Prince, 12-6. Point goes to Stephen Prince, 13-6. Ball in, point goes to Stephen Prince, 14-6. Ball away, point goes to Puthukadai, 7-14. Good draw, point goes to Stephen Prince, 15-7. Ball on it, point goes to Puthukadai, 8-15. Ball away, point goes to Stephen Prince, 16-8. Good block, point goes to Stephen Prince, 17-8. Touch out, point goes to Puthukadai, 9-17. Point goes to Stephen Prince, 18-9. Touch out, point goes to Puthukadai, 10-18. Ball in, point goes to Puthukadai, 11-18. Ball away, point goes to Stephen Prince, 19-11. Ball net, point goes to Puthukadai, 12-19. Ball touch out, first set won Stephen Prince.